Introducing the Crathco Simplicity Bubbler, an innovative cold beverage solution for high volume operations that comes in a variety of BPA-free bowl configurations. This compact unit allows you to provide a solution that is configurable for drinks such as teas, lemonades, cold brews, and juice blends, giving your business the opportunity to expand beverage offerings, create new revenue streams, and increase profitability. The agitator minimizes foaming to keep your beverage looking attractive to customers. And with minimal removable parts, cleanup and maintenance is easy, ensuring a longer lifetime for the unit. Additionally, the optional autofill feature, which is compatible with your existing mini twin or mini quad simplicity, makes sure you can keep up with the demand and minimize labor by not having to continuously replenish the units. This is why the Simplicity Bubbler by Crathco is a key piece of equipment to elevate your beverage service and drive new business growth.